Ayan mga kalindog, today we're going to unboxing one of my favorite chocolate here in Germany. This chocolate is a marzipan. A marzipan only what do you call it? It's a product only from Lübeck. So guys, this is me again, Roja Briner, ang inyong alindog. Lipstick lang ang katapat. Today vlog is unboxing, and don't forget guys, subscribe my channel. So let's start now, and thank you. Let's start.
Let's sing a song full of hope, full of pain. Why don't you sing along, my friend, for it's our last refrain. Forever young, ever strong, ever brave. Memories like this never end. No, they don't fade.
Hello mga kalindog, ayan. Meron tayong kakainin. Actually, ito is i-unbox natin. Tapos kakainin ko. Persira na. Ayan, i-unbox natin. Pakita ko sa inyo anong laman at ano ito. I think this is a marzipan. Ayan eh. Gawin natin. Kasi I'm just craving with a chocolate. So ayan, try natin siya. Ayan ha. Pakita natin. Ayan mga kalindog. At ayan, dahan-dahanin natin. 1, 2, 3. Whoops! Ayan mga kalindog. This is a Niederberger marzipan. Ayan, marzipan from Lübeck. O ayan, diba? Pakita ko sa inyo. O ayan. Ito ay marzipan. It means, ito ay almond face. Almond face with chocolate. One of my favorite chocolate or sweet here in Germany. Sa Lübeck lang siya ginagawa. Only in Lübeck, they have this. You know that? Ayan. Buksan natin siya. Pakita ko sa inyo mga kalindog kung gaano siya kasarap. Ayan. Ayan. Meron siyang sealed. Ayan o, yung sealed niya. Yung ganyan o, sealed. Ayan, diba? Nakikita nyo siya red. Ayan. Red siya. Tanggalin siya natin. Hilahin natin siya. Let us pull this lip. Oh, lip. You see? There we go. So now, we can open it. Ayan, mga kalindog. O, diba? Very, very, ano to, ano ba tawag dito? It's very, famous. This is very famous in Germany. If you're going in Germany, just ask the, marzipan in Lübeck. Where can buy the real marzipan? This is only from Lübeck, guys, mga kalindog. Ayan, there we go. Ayan ang kanyang tag name. Ayan, from Lübeck. Ayan, sa Lübeck lang talaga siya, mga kalindog. Only in Lübeck. So, ayan, let us open at itry natin siya kung talagang yummy ba siya or what, diba? Ayan, o. Mahaba siya. Ayan, diba? Very, ano pa siya, very, what do you call that? Malapad. Parang ano ko. Ayan guys, let us open. Tignan natin, diba? Masarap to mga kalindog. Promise. Ito na naman ako. Nahirapan na naman ako magbukas ng ganito. Ayan, kasi mga kalindog, I just finished having my dinner. So that's why every time I finish my dinner or having my dinner, I always have a craving eating something sweet like that. O yung talagang ano ba yan? So that's why I've always be careful eating some the sweet because I'm scared for the diabetes. I cannot open. I put it in my teeth. Yeah. Like in the Philippines. Always we do it in the Philippines, guys. Mga kalindog. Ayan. There we go. There, I did it. Ayan ha, tignan natin. Oh my God, mga kalindog. Guys, if you really, here you smell this, I think your saliva will getting, what is that? Maglalaway kayo. They're getting, your saliva is getting, get down. ano ba yon? I forget in English. Okay, by the way, never mind. Ayan, oh, ayan mga kalindog, di ba? Oh my God. Okay, let's taste first. Ayan, pakita ko sa inyo ha. I will show you. Yan. Kanya kahit si Victoria, natingin siya. Oh. Nainggit yan. There. Did you see the white? The white is... That is the almond paste, guys, mga kalindog. Ha. Let's try again, ha? Pakita ko sa inyo. Nippon. Maybe my dog they're gonna eat. Ayan. Oh my God, guys. It's really yummy. Ang sarap. Itong anong ito, I bought in Lubeck. I cannot remember no more how much I bought it or how much I pay it, but it's okay. You will see or make a Google in Lubeck, marzipan in Lubeck. Ayan, makita nyo, mahal siya kasi very ano to, sa Lubeck lang talaga, di ba? Ayan mga nandiyan sa Germany here. I can prove or you can prove that this is only from Lubeck, right? Hindi siya, di ba? Harap. Oh my God. I think pag naubos ko ito, baka mag-diabetes ako. So, kaya yan mga kalindog, pinakita ko lang sa inyo yung marzipan from Lubeck. Okay? So, I cannot eat all because this is too much for me. And I'm scared it's getting, what do you call that? Magkaroon ako ng diabetes. Okay? So, mga kalindog, thank you. Thank you for watching. I hope did you enjoy my unboxing marzipan. O, di ba? Ang sarap-sarap niya. So, thank you. And thank you again to all nut bloggers, my member. Ay, pupulo. Oh my goodness. Wait, sorry. Oh my God, always falling. Okay, guys, wait. I would like to say only and thank you to the my member who are make me a member. Ayan, guys. Thank you. From Steven Flowers. Hi, Steven. Thank you for joining my member. Blue Sky. Thank you. Matthew Mateira. Thank you also. Robinica. Robinaka. Thank you. Ayan, Nick Greek. Ayan. Yamas. Thank you. And Justin Battle from Canada. Ayan. And Matthew Mateira. I think Matthew Mateira is also from Canada, right? So, thank you, Matthew and Steven. Ayan, hi. Regards, please. Sometimes, can you please text me or write in the comment section so I can say with you, thank you so much, okay? So, thank you, everyone. Thank you, guys. Thank you for watching. Ayan, ang gulo-gulo ko. So, one kiss for all of you. Bye. Thank you.